hero.
Sige, iyak nyo na yung Gcash ko guys. Wala laman yun.
500k laman ng Gcash yan guys.
Gago, walang naman yun pre.
The Immortal One chose me to vanquish the shadows that plague this world.
Ano Pictol? Ano Pictol? Anong katino ng ulo ko?
The purple dragon
Hi,
is
Carly.
ready
Enemy
anytime.
Let's make the whole world green and lively.
I cannot get the XP crap. I can fish Felix because the enemy jungle burst up.
I think only prior that when like strong hero, that level 4 strong hero, and then level like Lucas.
From the forge of creation, I am the bastion of order.
Maybe.
Let's fight to our heart's content.
Ano?
Tinatanong nila kung dito ka na daw.
Wala pa ako.
I'll find a new world for all of us.
Có thập qua nó lời, có thập qua vào bây giờ. Rồi trên cặp mau mua nhé vậy.
Vô thôi mà.
Vô expert đây, vô thập, vô expert.
Để thọc lỗ bỏ thật sâu rồi tái đi thì thôi.
Ano pick ko pre? Kahit ano? Ito kaya ako.
I'm cut. Blue. Oh, Lawson. Poison. Poison enemy.
Yeah.
Ito na lang ako. Ito na lang. Ito na lang kaya pre. Ito na lang ako.
Awaken Dreadworm, the tyrant of wrath.
Wala kahit ano pick matalo. Okay lang. Ay putang ina naman talaga. Babatrip na ako. Nalalagay ko yung phone ko dito. Ay sorry guys, baka nga pala magmura. Ken Pro Sports Champion FLK. I don't know.
Ay! Play luso? Play luso na coach. Play luso. Wala lang red.
Tower lock. Tangina tower lock yan na lang mo, gago ka.
Kung nalalaman yung pre, di ba?
Hi kay Kim. Okay lang, panalo.
Enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Right guys, power lock.
Ay shot kay Sir Kiko. Kaya kay Kim. Hello. Hello guys.
Final I will build my throne upon the bones of my enemies.
Wait lang guys, focus muna ako ah. Ano yung brand na ganda?
Destroy the
Let the flames of wrath purge this treacherous kingdom.
Mas kaya. Okay lang, I'm fine.
I am the instrument of vengeance.
Tangin lang yan, may fluorine na. Ano talaga mga kalaban ko? Nag-utility. Fluorine kalaban. Eh, shot Tizo. Hindi ako batak tol. Nag-live lang ako para may... Para bayadan na ako ng FB. Hindi niya kasi pinabayadan eh.
Deepen their agony. Everything they took from me will be repaid in fire and
Ano nakuha ko pa yung grab? Ako swerte. Ngayon na kaya to.
Launch a burst blood.
Yung parang ready bro? Tupas, gago. Just the jungle, pero
Thôi nhìn mà phối đau.
soon you shall feast my world.
Bakit kulang, no? Bakit kulang? Hindi, I mean, kaya ako nag-live para ma-activate ulit yung mga ano, hindi kasi ako binabayaran ni FB, kailangan daw mag-live eh. Hindi kaya nag-live ako. Sayang din yun. 200 USD din yata. 200 USD na yata. Kaso matagal pa siya makuha, di ko alam. Basta. Hindi, 200 pesos lang pre. Ayaw pala, sabi, bobo. Anong paldo? Tagal na yung gagi. Last year pa yun, hindi ko nakukuha. Patay ka sa akin. Baliw, last year pa yun, hindi ko nakukuha.
Is not ready. We're ahead in gold. Is not ready.
The dying screams
Walking crab,
of my
guys.
men still haunt.
Oy, GG, ano, no, BMI, no ulti.
It demands retribution.
Sige nga. Ano ba yan? No, purify. Can kill. Cross ha.
My Reaper. My spear will shatter this world.
Walang fury yata ito.
Their castles will crumble like sand under the weight of my fury.
Pangit ng kanta, ba't ganito yung wait lang guys, focus muna ako.
Let the
Bari
flames
lang naman
of
sa'yo na
wrath
ako. Ay, tumigil ka. May matusil zone guys, sige maniwala dyan. Hello?
everything he took will be repaid in fire and blood.
Launch attack. Oh, is not ready.
My service was rewarded in blood, so let this land be bathed in it. I will
Oy, hi Boss Jay.
upon the bones of my
Shoutout po sa inyo.
all that remains of my past is this vessel of burning rage.
Unstoppable. Ult is not ready. We're ahead in gold.
The dying screams of my men still haunt me.
Team destroy the turret. Ult is not ready. We're ahead in gold.
Yun lang.
Team destroy
Ayoko pa po
the
mag-coach, Boss Jay eh.
Launch attack.
In-knowledge ko sa
We're
in-game,
ahead in gold.
di pa gan kalaki. Joke lang. Di ako, di mo ako ready mag-coach eh.
The flames of destruction, my Reaper.
Si Kaizen na lang.
Request back. Launch attack.
Ay, kulit nito.
Triple kill.
Hinahanap kita. Hindi ka nagparamdam ng New Year.
Shut down.
New Year.
What the fuck are you doing?
New Year, New Year. Andun ako ng New Year ah.
Bye-bye.
After New Year po ba?
You will know
Let's play jungler. Si ano yan si MP? Yung jungler namin. MP the King. Our jungler.
You shall be my
Don't think.
Our MP. He's still ano, in the Philippines.
I will give you all my XP.
He holds
I will
my
give you
wrath.
the red back. And
With the trembling power, I will devour this world.
Sakit naman ito. Sakit ng ano yun, no? Ng gatot.
Demands
Sakit ng passive. Change your phone, bro, lol. What do you mean? Ay, gagi, labat na yung phone ko. Mamamatay yung live ko. Wait lang, guys.
You destroy the turret.
Ang kulit nito. Oh. Gagi, lala. Malalabat yung phone ko, guys.
Battle is
Wait
where
lang.
I thrive.
Sakit na yun. Change your phone. Yeah, wait. Where's Peyton? Nandiyan pa ba si Boss Jay? Sorry boss ha. Nag-ML kasi ako eh. Hindi ko kasi... Nandun na ako New Year eh. Baka yung minimin ko ba yung after ng New Year? Red, what phone are you using?
Castles will crumble
iPhone
like
13.
sand under the weight of my fury.
Oppo. Android. Samsung. Dadyak lang. iPhone guys. iPhone 13. iPhone kasi ginagamit dito eh. Pero pag namatay yung phone ko guys, ibig sabihin na lobas. Wala yung live pala. Okay lang. Ba't naglobat ba ako? Wait lang, kunin ko yung charger ko guys.
Victory!
Sorry, what password?
Because I'm noob. I'm cap. I'm cap. You leave me alone eh. You didn't talk to tower. Oh.
Save the best for last. Hey!